Why is the sun shining on such a rainy day? See it shining through that window, but this old rain won't go away. They say the grass is always greener in the field that you don't mow, and news is always sweeter when you're the only one that knows. Got a smile that won't stay steady, got a heart that won't behave. Every time I think I'm ready, something pulls me back again. It's a blessing and a burden, I don't know which one to name. Every day is just a mystery, like raindrops on a sunny day. But it slips right through my brain like raindrops on a sunny day. There's a picture on the table from a better frame of mind, where the sky was always open and the days were always kind. Now I'm staring at the colors running slowly into gray, like raindrops on a sunny day. Playing, but I don't hear what it says. Just a rhythm in the other room, like an echo in my head. And I hold on to tomorrow, though it's drifting far away. The raindrops keep falling on such a sunny day. They say the grass is always greener in the field that you don't mow, and news sometimes tastes sweeter when you're the only